As you can see, the ridges indicate the age of the canyon. As you can see, the ridges indicate the age of the canyon. In this tutorial, we show you how to use AudioDirector's amazing audio effects to enhance your videos. First, let's import the video or audio we want to add an audio effect to. On the left, click the Apply Effect tab to display all AudioDirector's effects: Dynamic Range Control, Equalizer, Radio, Phone, Delay, Reverb, and Vocal Removal and Music. Some of these effects are licensed from leading sound design company iZotope. Dynamic Range Control, Equalizer, Delay, and Reverb. After importing your video or audio file, by default, AudioDirector displays the audio with two channels. You have the option of adding audio effects to only a single channel. Click the Edit Single Channel button at the top. Then select the channel you want to enhance by clicking it on the screen. Left channel at top or right channel at bottom. For this tutorial, let's edit both channels at the same time. Reselect the Edit Multiple Channels button. Let's apply the equalizer effect, which intensifies or softens the frequencies composing the audio signal to enhance a specific music style. We will first demonstrate the power of the effect on a classical music soundtrack we have just imported. Let's click the Equalizer tab. In the drop-down menu, select Classical. The Classical Frequencies preset is instantly applied to the soundtrack. You can further tweak the frequencies. Preview, and when you get the result you want, click Apply. We can now try the same thing on a techno music soundtrack. Let's now play with a few more effects. For example, we can try adding a robot effect to our original voice. Intruder alert. Intruder alert. Click the delay effect. In the pop-up window, tweak the settings, and when you're satisfied, click Apply. Intruder alert. Next, we have a beautiful video of a canyon with no audio. We want to add a comment and enhance it with an echo effect like that produced in a cave. As you can see, the ridges indicate the age of the canyon. As you can see, the ridges indicate the age of the canyon. In the mix room, we've already placed our video on track 1 and recorded our own voice on track 2. Now, click the reverb effect and increase the sparkle, room width, and room size sliders to your liking. When you get the result you want, click Apply. As you can see, the ridges indicate the age of the canyon. If you want to experiment more and expand the variety of the effects library, you can also download and import free VST plugins. Download to your hard drive. Open AudioDirector, select Import VST plugin effects, and they will appear on the left. Just click them to tweak their settings and apply them to your audio.